Alright guys, this MPC Screaming Eagle 250th has been pretty popular, so let's do an unboxing. We'll take a look at the kit and see what it looks like. Then I'll offer this for sale, a little bit of a discount. Alright, let's take a look at this bad boy. You guys ready? Ooh, look at that. That's some nice looking stuff. A couple are off the sprues there, but super bright. That's incredibly bright. Got our tires, bags separate. Some nice looking detail on that. Looks good. We got clear and red options for your glass, both very cool. Body bagged up separate. Nothing special, just your standard body. A nice bag of parts. Another nice bag of parts there. A little axle. Instructions. Alright, instructions, and here's that decal sheet. Can't see it, of course, but let's open it up and take a look at it. Let's take a good peek. Okay, they're pretty cool. Yeah, definitely nice. So this will go back in here. I'll pack this all back up nice. Take a look at that gold again. Man, that's, look at the shine on that stuff. Pretty impressive. Right, guys, I've got I think one or two of these left, but this one I will sell for like $28 plus shipping. Anybody who wants this one, $28 plus shipping.